Wow, 400 crazy people. When I started my journey as a Passionpreneur mentor, I never thought that we are going to grow at such a rapid pace. I wasn't sure whether people are going to learn what I have to share. A lot of people who started their journey as a Passionpreneur mentee, they had a lot of doubts and they were not sure if this is the right path for them.
Welcome.
Hi, I'm Sanghamita. I'm from Passionpreneur Mastermind Batch 8.
And I'm from batch number 5.
Batch 4.
Batch 8.
Batch 6.
Batch 5.
My life before Passionpreneurs, it was aimless.
It was confusing because I didn't know who I was. I did not know my true self, neither my purpose in life.
To meet the regular family course was a great struggle.
पैशनप्रेन्योर से पहले मैं बहुत ही इंट्रोवर्ट था.
It was very difficult for me to even get up every day and think of, spending one more day.
Thank you so much. My goal is to help you connect with your true self, and your goal is to take your true self and connect with other true selves. Next 2 days, meet as many people as you can, share more energy, share more love, share more joy, inspire them, help them, contribute to their journey.
It's a great energy. It's a wonderful vibe. You can feel the spiritual energy floating here and there, and you can really imbibe it. It's very powerful.
I heard 𝗪𝗪𝗯𝗃 session. I learned about leveraging others' business and giving them some share of what you earn.
I never thought that I'll be here, but I just came because of the persuasion from the Passionpreneur team. I really loved it because that is one of the things which I have learned from Passionpreneur.
When I joined 𝗪𝗪𝗃, one thing I found is that I transformed myself.
I learned how to be happy. And once you are happy, you will be able to deliver happiness to people.
I learned a lot and I transformed my life, how to live. This is the biggest transformation I got.
Within a span of 10 months, I could able to do a lot of sales. Within 10 months, I made 1 crore of rupees.
I got a promotion and plus I got a hike. So within a year, I received hike twice.
The session which was being taken by Mehul sir in the end, it was superb.
And today, this has happened. So many people have got results in so many ways.
So people who haven't yet tasted the Passionpreneur movement, guys, you don't know what living life is all about yet.
I would simply say that you have to experience this. You have to unlock yourself.
As a life transformation or a personal transformation, or you want to gain your wealth, just join the community.
Come and be Passionpreneur. I think that's where you need to be.
Energy energy, energy, energy.
Especially when we are in a community of people who are passionate about what they are doing, energy has to be high. So it's energy, energy, energy all the time.